All right, we begin the final chapter in the math book, and it's about geometry. So we've done you've done geometry before in previous grades, but this time we're going to focus some more on actual different kinds of shapes. So a polygon, and please understand that vocabulary is important in geometry. So a polygon is any closed figure. So a closed figure is closed. If it's open like this, it's not a polygon. So it has to be closed, made up of line segments that do not cross each other. So when you have lines that cross each other, this is not a polygon anymore. This is a not polygon. If it has wavy lines, not a polygon. Polygons must have straight line segments that don't cross each other and a shape that is enclosed. Okay? All right, so a couple rules for polygons. Polygon is a Latin word. Poly means many and gon means side, so many sides. That's all a polygon means. It could have 4 sides, it could have 3 sides, it could have 5 or 6 or more. Polygon just means many-sided shape. Okay, so a regular polygon is a polygon with congruent sides and congruent angles. Okay, congruent means similar. Okay, it doesn't mean the same. Actually, congruent does. Congruent means the same. Similar means almost the same. So congruent means the same. So congruent sides are equal in length. So a shape that is a regular polygon must have congruent sides, or all the sides need to be the same length. And congruent angles. They all have the same degree and measure. So if you look at this shape right here, this is a building in Washington, D.C. called the Pentagon. In a pentagon, all the sides are the same length. So they're congruent sides, and every angle is the same as the other angles. Okay? So we're going to look at this one, and we're going to determine if the polygon is regular or not. The top and bottom sides appear longer. So these two sides look longer than all the rest of the sides, so longer. You don't have to do this page. I'm just kind of going through it with you just to kind of get you used to the difference between regular and not. So because these two sides are longer than the rest of the sides, are all 6 sides of the polygon congruent? Congruent meaning the same. No, these two sides are longer, so that's no. So it is not regular. So regular, all the sides must be the same and all the angles must be the same. Okay? So let's move over here. And I do want you to do this worksheet. So what we're going to do here is it's going to tell you the name of the shape. It's going to show a regular one and a not regular one. So how many sides does a triangle have? Well, in both of these cases, it has 3. Draw another polygon that is not regular. So this one would be regular. Notice all the sides are the same and all the angles are exactly the same. So I could draw any old triangle here, you know, that's not regular. Okay, so that one's not regular. So quadrilateral, triangle, tri means 3, quad means 4, pent means 5, hex means 6, oct means 8. Okay, so every quadrilateral has 4 sides, every pentagon has 5 sides, every hexagon has 6 sides, and every octagon must have 8 sides. Okay, and notice the difference between a regular pentagon and a not regular pentagon. They're both pentagons, they both have 5 sides, but this one has different angle. This is different than this, and this is different than this, so that's not regular. So here you're going to draw another not regular. Okay, so it says, name the polygon. Determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. So if it's regular, remember it has to have the same length sides. So if you look at this, it appears that all the sides are the same length. And it appears that all the angles. So if you were to take this shape and just turn it, blink, onto this as the bottom, it would be the same. So this polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Sides appear to be congruent. It is a regular octagon. All right, and then you're going to do similar up here. It says, identify the structure, name the polygon, determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. So like for number 2, I'm going to look at this, and I know that it's a square, but we're not calling it a square. We're identifying the polygon, not the shape. Okay, so the polygon name of this here is quadrilateral. Is it regular? let's see, the sides appear to be the same and the angles appear to be the same. So this is a regular quadrilateral. I don't know how to spell quadrilateral, Mr. Ellis. It's right here. Just look over here. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, and quad means four, lateral means sides. Four sides. It could be a quadrigon. That would be four angles. But there you go. You're going to do the rest of them on the bottom. It's just you're going to draw a triangle that's not regular, a pentagon. So you're going to just, there you go.